Hey everyone, welcome to the video. We are talking about Visual Latin Chapter 7 today, Lesson 7. And in Visual Latin Lesson 7, we really learned the nominative and the genitive cases. We've already talked about this before, but the nominative is used for the subject of a sentence. It can be used for something else too, called a predicate nominative, and that's when a word follows a linking verb and renames the subject of the sentence. So it's kind of right back to the subject of the sentence again. And of course, the nominative is just this group across the top. I usually have my control panel covering this, so we'll talk about this one too. Ager means field. So we know horse, horses, road, roads, gift, gifts, and now we've added field, fields. This should be coming quite familiar to you. The genitive, this is going to be a very short video. The genitive is just this next row. We'll just slide down a little bit. We have the genitive, and typically with the genitive, I tell my students to use the word of. You can also use an apostrophe though. So of or an apostrophe. Just remember that little dot's an apostrophe. So we could say of the horse, or we could say the horse's tail, the horse's mane, right? Of the horses. VA means of the roads. Viarum, sorry, let me do that one again. VA means of the road. Viarum means of the roads. Doni means of the gift. Donorum means of the gifts. Agri means of the field. And agrorum means of the fields. And those are the endings for the nouns for the genitive case. If you drop down and look at the adjectives, you'll find that the endings are the same. Let me move this out of my way. Okay, so we don't have this group here, down here, but we do have, for the first three groups, this one, and this one, we have the same identical endings with the adjectives down here. For the nominative, altus alti. For the nominative, alte alte, for the feminine, altimata, for the neuter. And for the genitive, alti altorum, alte altarum, alti altorum. Okay, and that's it for Visual Latin Lesson 7. On to Lesson 8.